Siwo, Ram Thakuro, Umen Sobo, Orbindo, Ikfayo, Holy Cross, Kumulungo, Kuayobo, Bilonia, Bilonia.
Long live, long live, long live. SF, long live, long live, long live. One script, one script.
We want one script.
One script, one script.
We want one script.
One script, one script.
Sing jora kolog romi sing tiba sang kasan demand, especially sing student rong bagai. Sing financial sing je Roman script ni demand tomani. Apna sing permanently kasan solution tu namu sungguh. Sing sawi mano last year bahine sing bahine si te apun sesekang previous year bahine amakin ciri kui sing. Ware wa sing office visit kaiman tongo. Dialect soliman tongo. Pia suno solution rezang na hini sawi. Every year na suno mahake yang masih ke suno pukul tungan dike suno tung student no. Ama sini future ni kok, sini student ni kok. Sungo ma ini keto sharp urea dernai potas dernai nengaba mari man kok ya. Sini kasih knowledge ni kasih platform sini je reng sermani, reng serman tino sini je script sini je Roman script sini je demand to mani. Omono fulfill kare nang nai. Sungno katane bosoro kau sini tiba sarung bisingi, kau ma neta hinjana ro bahino omono nugine khatong hojaka permanent solution phaikia tabole sing mangkha Roman script ne sing omono bol darana tine kasha false kasha news manine sing omono pujo khanya lamentong phia sing TSF saimano sing TSF sing chopsone aware tong khamon tine te omono buskang toro bo aware tongo sing omono kasha permanent solution tuna nai last year na hai sing man khama ka hin chawine sing borong no sing hemolong mo sing khilaina musung ya sing bong no kubuyo toni ne omane permanent solution to namusung last year sing saiman no sini je Roman sini je demand ko jamani abo sudo last year bagi simsi tomani board exam rong bagi pia sing omono sing permanent kashe solution to bagi sin sai tong sing TSF bon bagi this year kashe emon kashe resolution eba kashe solution to nangnai through TBSC board sini higher secondary education is the adong tonero sini Dr. Gonojoy Gonchodri te boni phasing te kaisa kaham statement sopane nang tung clear statement te sini state government phasing te bahino om tine kaisa permanent solution chung ta malak taw haino bus kang sini board exam phaitong sin sar rong bagi sing tabung simi sing khorang tisia sing abono aware khan thang yang kai hana hai borok belai khe sing jala klai gonai borok Roman script de porinai yake Bengali script de porinai obong kaisa sing jala thang last year sing Roman script by sing question khaiman phano sing no khala last year bahina sini je question paper sing abo Roman script khaimi yang thanga on bai kengma student rok borok suffer bo khagya bong mark kom thaga sing seven taw even 1 mark 2 mark ni bagi busuk important khorsa student bo medical tiki yang thang ba bo je kun kaisa course ti porom sungani borok abo bo sugi yang thang manu bon bagai at least sing je sini sing je analysis khaine man sing je ground level thangne mani bong kom se kom jara question paper Bengali script bujang nai rok mong kom mani no 10 marks to 20 marks kom phagya this is huge tangol tabu competition jora or jora sing amon likely naimia sing TSF sing khorang tisnai nangga sing amon bagi tebo kotor chawo thangnai sing taklai amon tine sing belai serious sing permanent solution basing nayo permanent solution to nang thong ar je sini assembly sing je minister sing je MLA borok je khorang tisnai borok amon tine belai ken sensitive na nangnai they should be very concerned amon tine tamlamo every year sing student bagi sing belai ka suffer ma khayo sini thinang sing student sing bong sing kaham furumung eba ke LM kaham manan bagi sing lam kaham furung maya mono suzugri maya opportunity kami har maya ngke amo sin failure sung monti minister ngene sung scott tilai ne sung beri tonglai pano o scott ni kuno value tongla sung no kangma borong na tabakha rangsa upo hayung upo hin sung phayo kokre adin personal issues tongmano pia government thruti sung je public je tax rate money or tax rang ka hamjaga thangsa gine at least sin is a student ni problem obon kisa solution pamna solution to nano amo sin tsm ni koimong tongnai sin je hostel lukoro bahai nom tene aware nang thum tai phane salo teu kotor soba nangka sin student option logel nang thum amo sin na harmu
mane nong ni tsm ni diman khang ke every board exam logo
every
board exam college school dar jaga nang thon ko boro te bengali abo bani tongthon ne question paper subject ni samu kana
chini demand to first demand chini demand kaisa no it should be in one script tangi dual script na ba chin kok borok se amo to buni ang to language bengali subject ni kok chi samani able je aro dual script phaina khaya sung to mon demand khaimani ya sung sini kok borok script should be in one script je sini language tongani aja jodi norong ni baksan musman tong jamon dual script khaya sana hinka no issue pia this should be very confirmed je kaisa state language ne ba kok borok ni je language aboni kaisa no permanent solution nango sing je roman script amno sung waire wa phaine sung aro chiri khogani student rong khoirani khaidani bongno sung family tonani am hai thungka ke sini je koton netrok sin chaka asu jagrok borok mo khaine musangya sung amon tino permanent kaisa solution ti phena nango roman script dual dong single dong hypano sini kok borok ni bising ke sung roman script no sung nayo amon sin permanent kaisa demand dong sin tsn phajing te
Tini tam ni bagai TBS phale mani tia sab.
Sing tini tewa isa ma phai fika TBS yo. Sini thangnai rago bani rono khana. Sini student on board exams sekang, especially 10 to 12. Board examination bani sing ma phai fika. The setting up of question paper. Amo kaini script bani ingthang lai Bengali. Te kokrok Roman script. Amo natin sing tini salaga phai mani. Thangna hekeno bosungno sakha nironi demand chung tewisa place khayano as a board as a head of the organization but tewisa minister no but tini malani saga chung oro phai te kaisa kok sikha chung tsf kudungma salrongoi chung sini language no special kokbrok roman script ni bagai chung je khai tongmani chung tini kaisa sikha students rongno chung bar koikha students on by near on by ne movement khai tongo board exam on nirok roman script by swima thang nai but tung sini data kaisa ma khaje majority student borok bengali script by swi sung data no go sung saga barban majority people and student demand roman script but exam prong ke roman script by swima sung nugya am sung data ma kha sung niron by movement khai tongo sung tini bo phaige but nirok support khaya ke om movement success jangno sung student te jotno sung omon appeal khaina tsf movement to khaina thangnai sini je fan tok sung khai bo tong but sung nirok ni support bonang nirok exam of bengali script by simi sugi nirok bahai kongnai ba sung omon te wisa koine nirok no sung je mansak taklai bo nirok no roman script by no nirok no surga mai sung saksar tong but nirok ni support sung nangnai sung tini oro paye sung 6-7 bo thangnai sung director by malai ne kok sanai tani hamale 12 January 2024 bo CBSE board no bokaisa letter suika that question paper should be said in both the script roman and bengali bo bai sung malai kok sanai tangai TBS ko ke all notification rojak liya bon bagai sung boy malai kok sanai am pore sung ni rono sawa bahai
Oro klep tam saka president nong dabi no khnawi.
President to agin hain saga bo to place khainai bom tain saga bonia ga mungsa kare omo kaisa just board but education the night on night bo bani discuss ma khainai minister bo saka botini kok sanai bo salai salam try khaika but appointment ma saga but botini jeng phaima pore bo safika bo thangai kok sanai tini amane pore bo immediately ne je mansa dadi dosak bo suna update do man saga
Sema to noro temporary
tini tripura board of fiber ya golo sung khnaka tripura board ni president ni hoite bomma puilaya je board sob sob last year data ru tam sanga ke jata board examination no बेसेबां बांला स्क्रिप्ट सिने बांगुन साव ताबो क्वेश्चन आव जागासि बांला बे सियुन साव ठीक न ताम बागे हिंगा के since board examination sibi nang forcefully systematic babe nang bengali script mang question paper print khai tongkha then obviously the more force klayu agi saw nang answer roman script simai ani nor site agi tibra board that means systematically force klai nai siri tonu a jaga si kintu student dokun dino mu chungya je bangla script sinani only a choice krai freedom jeta fundamental rights tomani abonu ballot klai jaka so bontam khage systematic babe textbook tabusan bagi systematic babe textbook print khage CRT same bengali script kok borok another minority language department bo same bengali script by print klayu borok tam khai ke bo systematic babe print khlai nai systematic babe data phuna nayu issue jagasi but student demand but all entire 30% demand happening ke tamo what we call roman script sung tabo roman script inu thik no but it is sung joto je our script is joto consonant no sung use klaya that means we have already accepted it sung now inon sumolo kutong tabung nai nekhet sung college in data around nai lekhinu 99% university in examination rogobo 99% students roman script tamke actually ke je board examination tamang kangke problem gake systematic babe borok abono implement khlai tongo systematic babe discriminate khlai tongo khlai nai abono borok proof khlai nai tam proof khlai nai hingake je student rok borok bangla sinayu ni abono proof khlai nai ben borok kintu amaya a jaga si ama hake o je discrimination ni height busu jorte kusuk nai nei di bage khlai borok borok emon ke systematic babe khlai tongkha borok no bujiri maya khlai nai tong confusion boron create klayu thane sung tamlukha secondary education hotin director bor hoka CBSE wo chairman no je norok roman regarding the use of roman script and bengali script for cover textbook sorry for cover question paper bas answer klaidani nung as dim fit norok nai din so nung tripura button or here if you can ask them to answer in whether roman or bengali script why can you set up question in both bengali and roman script nung je answer si klaimanung saunga ke klainani option jakana no tangai question paper ke klaya so these are borok systematically thingi tongmani itabu education minister tongnai tabu chief minister education nai tong department no so over systematic babe borok discriminate klai tong sungama bujina nangnai tabu school level tam khainga ke force klayu banglai phuni textbook banglai klai force klai tong borok amuk klai mania sini language school policy kri koro boss script use klai nai but systematically borok use klai tong tabu hambai